curious how this one's gonna dry. I wanted to just do something kind of simple, you know, forget the whole pearl cells, the whole lacing, the whole whatever, and hadn't played with a, you know, strainer colander in a while. So here she is dry, and I say she because literally I see a face in there. A little chubby cheek and a nose and a mouth and a neck, a big forehead. I don't know if that makes these some weird brains, but yeah. The reddish color I had definitely dried a bit darker, but I do like how the green kind of peeked through in some of the areas. Again, there was very little silicone in here, so a lot of this is Floetrol, and I think a lot of the cells kind of popping through could also be because the green is much thinner than the other layers. Well, the green that I used as the flow extender was a lot thinner. But yeah, so here it is, all dry. And just want to give a quick shout out as a thank you. I hit a milestone of over 100 subscribers, and I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for watching my videos, and much appreciated. And yeah, I'm gonna keep trying to paint and keep trying to upload when I can, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.